Naghahanap ba kayo ng apartment type hotel sa Tokyo na perfect for families with small children? Tara, let's go! Say hello to Hotel Sales Asakusa. Nagstay kami dito for 4 nights nung recent Tokyo trip namin at super happy kaming lahat sa na-experience namin dito dahil very spacious ang room. May dining area at kitchenette na kumpleto pa sa gamit. Separate toilet and bathroom na may bathtub and complete with toiletries na rin. Maganda dito kasi may washing machine na rin sila at room cleaning after every 2 nights. Yung pinaka-bedroom may 3 single beds na pwedeng pagdikitin at gawing isang malaking kama, perfect for a family like ours. May smart TV, open closet, at maraming space for storage and luggage. Bonus, walking distance ito sa mga konbini, grocery, restaurants at syempre subway para mas mabilis tayong makaikot sa Tokyo. Nabook namin ito sa Agoda for only 11,000 plus pesos a night. Pwede pa kayong maka-discount ng malaki when you use our code. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng hotel sa Tokyo for you and your family, make sure to check out Hotel Sales Asakusa. For more hotel and travel finds for the family, make sure to follow us. That's it. Thank you for watching.